Chinese modernization is the modernization of a huge population, of common prosperity for all, of material and cultural ethical advancement, of harmony between humanity and nature, and of peaceful development. Many international experts spoke highly of the efforts China has made to promote sustainability and harmony between humanity and nature in pursuing its modernization.
Sans nul doute, la Chine est aujourd'hui un acteur fondamental dans la préservation de l'environnement, dans la promotion du développement vert. Elle a œuvré à une réduction immense de la pollution de l'environnement, le développement de l'écologie dans le pays, sans parler de ses politiques de réforestation, avec l'exemple du désert du Kubuchi. Elle invite à la promotion d'une économie verte et des énergies vertes. Il reste alors clair que l'économie verte et le développement de l'énergie verte de la Chine offrent des expériences au monde entier.
They turned off their power plants that were running on coal in big number. They changed the technology. They went to other types of fuel. So their contribution to carbon-free or carbon-less environment is commendable. They have shown that their resilience and their commitment to do that, and they did very, very good. And the new targets that they have put for themselves, I'm sure that they will be able to achieve it.
China is trying to control the emission of this carbon through various methods. Probably afforestation is one issue, and using electricity rather than fuel can be also the other managing mechanism of this carbon emission. Sustainability has direct relationship with this controlling this carbon emission.
When you talk about ecological civilization, for me, China is in the lead. You go to China, everywhere is green because they know the importance of a green environment. They are very, very conscious of that. And I wish we will begin to learn from some of these best practices from the Chinese community.